Hi, I'm Brienne, and I'm here to introduce you to the Exerputic motorized mini exercise bike. Now, whether you're having difficulty moving your arms or your legs, or you just want a good workout, this is for you. Some benefits that you might find: increased range of motion, increased cardiovascular health, increased blood circulation, and overall strengthening your muscle groups. Take a look at these adjustable foot straps. It's really important that you customize your fit for a safe and comfortable ride. I also want to note our wider foot pedals. This is unlike any other motorized cycle on the market. This means comfortable and safe use for any foot size. Now, I love the smooth feel. You also have access to a motor, and the motor allows for assisted, effortless movement. This allows you to increase strength while also at a controlled range of motion to prevent any muscle strain. The handheld speed controller with longer cord allows for easy and comfortable use without the trouble of having to hunch over to adjust the speed. The magic of the motor being able to move on its own is that you have assisted movement for increased circulation for both your upper and lower body, as well as the ability for single leg use. So there you have it. Whether you're looking to feel better, get stronger, or simply move better, this mini motorized exercise bike is for you.